Hello guys, my name is Chukemeka Miracle and welcome to today's video on the Crypto First channel. Alright, in today's video, we'll be working on a new playlist which I have titled Trading Hacks and Tricks for Beginners and Newbies. Okay, I know our channel is still a budding channel and we've been focused on making videos for those just coming new into the crypto space, beginners, newbies, starters. We have various videos on our channel. Do well to check them out and kindly watch this video to the end to know more about what cryptocurrency is all about and how you can come aboard this glorious train. All right, without wasting much of our time, on today's video, this playlist is titled Trading Hacks and Tricks for Beginners, and on this video, we'll be treating tracking whale wallets. All right, tracking whale wallets. Now, who are whales? Whales is like a colloquial term used in cryptocurrency to refer to those the elites of the crypto space, those big shots, the big players. Whale is a very like literally a whale. When you hear the word whale is a very big fish, like a very very massive fish. Now, in cryptocurrency, whales are those people who have a lot of money. Like we are talking not just tens of thousands, we're talking hundreds of millions of dollars, billions of dollars, tens of millions of dollars, and so on and so forth that they use to run and trade cryptocurrency. Now, why this is a trading hack is because now these whales are mostly determinants of what happens in cryptocurrency. Let me show you, for instance. Now, all right, I have a site opened already. One of these sites to use to track all these whale wallets is blockchain.com. You can see it over here, blockchain.com. So what you just do simply, if you come to blockchain.com, you open the site. Okay, for this video, we are going to be using Bitcoin and Ethereum as example. All right, if I come to blockchain.com, let me open it. Let me click home. Let me go home. Now, what this site does is, as transactions are taken up in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, in various chains out there, it's been updated by the second. Like each transaction that happens in each split millisecond, they are being updated here. All right. For instance, let's look at this now. This is Bitcoin. Now look at this. These are the latest transactions that are going on Bitcoin. As you can see over here, this thing is refreshing basically at the blink of an eye. It's refreshing at the blink of an eye. These are various transactions that are taking place. These are various transactions that are taking place. All right. Look at this. It's very hard to just follow literally, but I'll try to show you one example. Okay. Let me pick, this person. Let me look for, okay, I'm trying to look for a high transaction rate. Okay, let's just say you pick this transaction. I pick this one. This, just for example, I pick this wallet. Okay. Let it load. My network is acting up. All right, look at this transaction. This wallet address over here, this wallet address, that's the hash ID. It sent $18,990 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, look at it. Just you come down to advanced details over here. Come down to advanced details over here, and you will see. Okay, where is it? Okay, this is the wallet address. From here, this $18,990 worth of Bitcoin was sent from this wallet to these two wallets. You understand? It sent 18,940 to here and $44,044 to this particular wallet at the cost of the gas fee of $1.82. All right. Now, if you come back, please click on home again. Well, okay. Still click on home again. Let's look for another transaction. I'm looking for a high figure transaction. Okay, well, that was fast. Okay, let me pick this one. That was not what I wanted to pick, but no problems. Let it open. Let it open. It's loading. All right. This is just example. You understand? This is not the kind of wallet to track. Okay. This transaction is $352 amount. $352.40. At the gas fee of $2.58. Now, what you do is to track all these kind of wallets. You just come here. This is from this wallet. It went into this wallet. Now you can just copy. I've copied it. Then I'll come to. Let's click home. Let's click home. Okay, guys. And for Ethereum now, this is for Ethereum. All right, just as the way I showed off in the Bitcoin, for Bitcoin earlier. This is for Ethereum. Now, these are the transactions that are going on. These are the transactions being taking place. All right, I'm looking for something that sounds like a whale wallet. I'm looking for a huge transaction. All right, let me just use this for instance. Okay, let me use. Okay, this is 5,000. Okay, let me use this one for instance. Okay, yeah, I got that. Got that. All right, let it just load. Let it load. Let it load. Okay, now you can see this. This transaction is $5,851 worth of Ethereum. The gas fee of $0.00 from this wallet to this wallet. Okay, so what you do is just simple. Look at the transaction. It was taken from this wallet here to this wallet here. What you just do is simple. Let me just copy it. Copy it. Copy it. Then I'll come to etherscan.io. Etherscan.io. There's a video. I have a video on how powerful blockchain explorer is. Let me show you the video. All right. Okay. Here it is. Let me show you the video. All right. Where is it? 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 All right. Here is the video here. You can just go through this video to understand how powerful what I'm about to show you is and how you can use it to track whale wallets. Okay, so you just come here, and paste this wallet address here. I've pasted it. Let me search to give me the whole result, the whole transactions of this particular wallet. Okay, that's one of the beautiful things of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Each transaction that takes place, everybody can access it, even if your privacy is secured and your identity is not known. But each transaction you do, everybody knows in the marketplace. All right. Now, from what we can see here, the ETH balance on that particular wallet we copied is 652.56 at 1,723.66. That is the price of Ethereum presently. All right, and it's holding 5 tokens. Okay, let me see. Look at the various tokens it's holding. Now, why this thing is so powerful is if you can get 1 or 2 addresses that you are sure these ones are whales, you can just track them. Now, you know how much it is the end. You see where they are sending the money to. You understand? Then, let's say for instance now, you are trading and you notice that, okay, this wallet I'm tracking, he sent Bitcoin, or he moved Bitcoin from, say, Binance, and it moved it to, say, CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. You are most likely to ask yourself why. Now, if you look at the holdings, for instance, now if you come to these holdings and you open it and you see, okay, he's holding Earth Gift X card, he's holding RiftDAO.net, he's holding ERC20 tokens, and he's holding Aka.sit. Most likely there are potential projects or there are projects that are just coming up that we moon in the future. So it will be in your own best interest to just conduct a research on what those projects are, and you should know if probably it's something you can buy or sell or invest in. You understand? Now, another beautiful thing of this, why this thing is so powerful and why it is a hack for newbies and beginners. Why it's true that it's a bit technical, but if you can learn this and just give yourself, say, give or take about 2 weeks or a week plus to know how to track all these wallets, you understand, then it will do you a whole lot of good, because these ones are the top 1% that control the whole market. You understand? Someone that will be willing to trade with $10 million, $20 million. If the person dumps on a project, the project is gone. If the person pulls out his money from a project, except from something like, say, Bitcoin or BN or Binance or Ethereum, any other coin, except, let's say, from apart from the top 10 cryptocurrencies, that a whale just moves out about, say, $10 million or $20 million, that project is going down. That project is going down. You understand? So that is how powerful this thing is. It lets you. You are basically riding on the shoulders of giants. They say if you stand on the shoulders of a giant, you will be a giant also. So you're just following the footsteps. You're just following their footprints. If whatever it is they do, most likely, if you weigh the cost and balance and you think, okay, this is a nice idea, you do the same also. All right. So that's that on tracking whale wallets. Another app, another site that can help you to track whale wallets again is let me just type it out so you can probably I might do a video on it some other time. I might do a video on it. So let me see. Let me put it under it. Bubble Maps. Right? Bubble Maps is another powerful tool that helps you to track whale wallets. You understand? Bubble Maps is a very powerful tool that helps you to track whale wallets. Okay. Let me see. All right, that's that for tracking whale wallets. You understand? So what you just do is you come to either CoinMarketCap or blockchain, any centralized exchange, and you look at the transactions that are big, that are taking place there. Okay, let me open it again. You go and look out for transactions, those heavy transactions that run into millions of dollars, into hundreds of thousands of dollars. You see a particular wallet, it just moves, let's say, $500,000 into an unknown project. My dear, it's not just moving the money there just for the sake of moving. There is something they are after there. So it will be in your best interest to look at what it is moving the money to. Know if it's something you can just buy in and take your profit when it sells. That's just how it works. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, and kindly like, share, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. My name is Chukwemeka Miracle, and from me and my partner, this is bye for now.